Our region is under a winter storm watch according to the National Weather Service in Binghamton. On Monday morning, lead meteorologist Mike Murphy told us what we could expect on Tuesday.
We're looking at snow moving into the area around like in the early morning hours, probably before daybreak, around 5 to 7 a.m. We have steady, moderate snow through the day. Snowfall could be up to 1 inch per hour at times. It looks like it tapers off in the early evening hours. And we're looking at snow totals could be between about 5 to 9 inches across Baldwin County.
Being that this could be our first plowable snowfall, motorists should be extra cautious.
My main advice would just be to go slower and pay attention and leave some extra space between the vehicles around you.
I'm Jim Sebastian for MidHudsonNews.com and Catskills News.